round. You've already got the ingredients you need. You came prepared on what you have to do in the finale round. Make sure it counts. It is 4:54 and we shall get started now with the finale round. You have 50 minutes and let's get this started. I think you all have done a fabulous job, guys. Okay, judges. आखिर वो पल आ ही गया है जिसका हमको बेसब्री से इंतजार था. Because we are here to taste.
Yevnika ji, what did you make today? It's a finale dish, right? Out of 3. Are you sure that you made what you want to achieve out of it?
Yes, I did, because it's a typical South Indian cuisine, a Telugu cuisine that we eat in a regular, our daily life. This is what we eat. And being Ugadi,
okay.
So I have made everything which is based on Ugadi.
Okay.
So we make the sweet pongal, it's shakar pongal, raw mango rice, coconut rice, and this is a rasam which has vegetables but unseen. I have basically drained everything out.
Okay.
I mashed everything, and this is a bottle gourd chutney, a pachadi,
okay,
that we eat with rice.
I hope this time you have not used sambar masala.
No, this has rasam masala in it.
Masala.
You happy with your dish?
I am very happy with
So
this
it
dish.
is this almost same what you thought?
Yeah,
which was
this
there
is
in your
what
mind?
I had in my mind.
Generally रसम थोड़ा thin होता है.
बहुत सारे ना पुराने we have a lot of old recipes that I think South India में अभी भी नहीं बना है. So wherever you go, you find that पतला पानी वाला रसम. But this is a traditional rasam that people used to make earlier, बहुत पहले, कि आप दाल को don't take it out and you put some vegetables, boil it and then you mash it, उसको पूरा drain out करो and then add some rasam masala and little tamarind, that's all. So it's a दाल रसम basically. आप रसम बनाओ, टमाटर, इमली, कुछ भी डाल सकते हो. इसमें मैंने दाल डाला है with drumsticks in it. तो पूरा मैंने mash कर दिया उसको.
So you have you tasted all the
Yes,
all the elements that
I
you
did.
made? You
Yes,
made?
I did.
Okay. Did you find any mistakes in this?
I think I can. One is ये थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा खट्टा है.
Thank you.
But that's how it's supposed to be because it's a raw mango rice.
I think
And
see,
to balance that, we have a very low balanced ये coconut rice जो उसको balance करेगा.
see, in 50 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 components is not easy to make. You have a very quick hand, and you managed to do such an amazing flavors
you.
bring on the table. It's not easy.
Thank you.
50 minutes, 5 dishes. I can't make it. You made it fantastic. Very good job.
Thank you.
Well done.
Okay.
Very, as usual, typical Kavya style. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. And
So today I've made pineapple menskai with akki roti with some onion sallas and some curry leaf. Like it's just a refreshment. So this Pineapple Men's Sky, while I was in Udupi, like for 2 years, I studied there. So we went to a temple, and there I learned this. This is a temple cooking. It has no onion, no garlic. So the gravy is purely roasted dals and some coriander seeds. And pineapple I have boiled, and then I've added the paste. And akki roti basically is a rice roti. So I've just, the flavors are authentic. I've just twisted the plating. I've added the caramelized pineapple and some toasted coconut.
You put any flour apart from rice flour and akki roti?
No.
She seems to be obsessed with the temple food. Good, good, good.
Is it rice roti or rice roti? Akki roti or akki roti crisp?
Actually, the corners are a little crisp. And I made it like a long back. So it has been 15 minutes since I plated the dish. So.
Okay. Don't you think you missed a lot of elements in akki roti? There is no peanuts, there is no the leaves, there is no...
So I wanted to make it simple. Since the curry is the highlight, I didn't want to put much flavors because it's just accompaniment and the curry is a little stronger. So pineapple and we put grated carrots, we put a lot of vegetables, but I just wanted to make it like a plain base.
Well done, thank you, good job.
It is basically Rava Kesar, Kesari Rava. The temple prasad, over here Telangana people present. So simple is like Kesar, Rava Kesar with that vermicelli on the base and payasam is over. I just dripped it from over, and this is a fusion of this entire so that you don't get the entire sweetness. To cut that, I would orange reduce with cinnamon and sugar so that you get a tanginess as well as the sugar, sweetness.
Okay, so what's there in the base?
Is vermicelli. Vermicelli.
Vermicelli.
Yeah.
And then your...
Kesar.
Kesar.
Rava Kesari.
And then a vermicelli.
Vermicelli is a thin layer and again a thin layer.
Don't you think this dish is too common compared to what the other two dishes that you've done? Your idli chaat was so innovative, and your pulao and chole and what you made in that bowl, that was so contemporary. Just a payasam and a kesari bath, won't you feel that it is too simple?
For the finale round.
Actually, I want to put the kesari, this one Rava Kesari, so that you taste the Rava Kesari because it is South Indian dish. So I want to put that one with other element I put so that little different with a fusion one with so that orange, and this is a modern version of that as well. Actually, I want to end up with a sweet dish. So this one came in my mind.
Overall, I think even the way you put cinnamon and all, it's very, very innovative. I
Thank you
quite
so
liked it.
Thank
Good
you
job.
so much.
Thank
It's a great honor to me. Thank you so much.
Let's announce the winner. I would hand it over to our esteemed judges.
The third place today, I think, see, we liked all three. There is no small errors, probably a bit of a slight over sweetness, but you managed it well. And akki roti was a little crispy, but still it is good. Your pineapple flavors are nice, but I could have added a little bit more other side. Similarly, a bit of over dominating flavor in your mango rice. But overall, we quite liked everything because in 50 minutes, putting up this kind of a show, it's not easy. That too, you must be working from morning 10 o'clock and standing there and working all these things. It's not an easy. And suddenly somebody say, okay, you are out of three, you're a third one, you're second one, you're first one. It's not the right way to say. But however, it's a competition. We have to say to have somebody at third position, second one, first position. Purely otherwise, all three of your winners, that's why you made it till the final. So that is the first thing. I want to give a great round of applause for all of you. Today, the third winner for the evening is Yuvanika. She's the third runner-up for the event. Let's see how many people are up for Kavya. And how many for Smita ma'am? Many. I hope both of you. Smita, how nervous you are? Not. No nervous?
Very, very nervous. Very much nervous.
Very much nervous. Kavya, what about you?
Same, but different.
So I will announce with the first letter. Okay, the winner, the first letter is the letter ends with the A.
Okay, who's more confident?
Who's more confident, guys? I need your hands up. दोनों में से
मतलब
किसको
तुम दोनों
लगता
में
है?
से ये कौन सोच रहा है कि ठीक है मैं तो पक्का जीत गई?
The title of Wagner ICC Chef Hyderabad goes to
Smita.
A very hearty congratulations to you, Smita. Come on, everybody, I need a louder round of applause. Very hearty congratulations to you, Smita. Congratulations, Kavya. Both of you have done an outstanding job. I think Smita is going to take away 51,000 rupees home today. Come on, तालियां बजनी चाहिए स्मिता के लिए. She is the one who's bashed the title, and I think she's going to go home with a huge surprise for all her friends and family members. Congratulations, Smita, you've made it finally. I can see happy tears all around. Smita, come on, come on, come on, smile. I need a nice picture in my phone. Come on, everyone, 3 cheers to our winner, Smita. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! क्या बात है यार, तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए. She's still in a shock.
Good luck. Very happy for all of you. And thank you, team. Thank you, Debbie. Thank you, Sunil. Bhabhi ji, thank you so much. Sajay ji, aapka bahut bahut shukriya. Chef, really, very good bonding we had it. We had a good discussions together. I think this is the beginning of a very humble start. And with the race, we will make it very large. That's the promise. Thank you very much. Thank you, team. Our partner here in Hyderabad and this little champ there. We will make something amazing. Watch us next month, very soon. Take care.
Present moment, I'm just top of the world. I don't know that I will be winning this competition today. After 15 years, I'm standing over here, leaving everything behind. I never thought I will come here because everyone knows that after marriage you have so many responsibilities with you. But then also doing everything, I took some time out of my daily course. Then I came here over here. I was enjoying thoroughly from the morning, but never thought that I will win the competitions. Thank you so much, judges and everybody over here. Thank you.
Oh my God, that's lovely. Once again, we'd like to thank the entire organizing committee. Thank you so much. Our valuable judges, thank you so much for being patient, trying out different delicacies, and I hope, you're going back with a happy stomach.
Smita, please share your diet plan so that we can carry the same energy. I want to know what you eat for especially your vocal, right? Great energy. Thank you for hosting the show. It was phenomenal, I think. You got the energy for the evening.
Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you, friends, family, and all the participants. I think this was the very first edition, like Sir just mentioned. We'll keep coming up with more. Thank you once again for being all the very best. Congratulations. This is your host, Simran Mulchandani, signing off for this evening.
Thank you, sir.